Hi, I'm Jaden Queen.
And I'm Alex Leshkary. Together we create and upload chemistry tutoring videos on our channel, J&A Chemistry.
We got the inspiration to make these chemistry video lessons through our 2 years of chemistry at Severn. Before tests, we would look for videos to help explain some tough concepts that we weren't exactly grasping. But what we found is that especially in our honors chemistry class, they were either too broad or focused on concepts we didn't learn. Throughout the whole class, we just wished there were videos focused exclusively on what we learned.
The idea of actually making these videos came to us shortly after the fellows presentation our junior year, being in the midst of studying for our AP Chem exam. We were just talking, and then the idea of a fellows came up, and we immediately gravitated towards something to do with chemistry, and we came up with the idea of making videos specifically tailored to the Severn chemistry curriculum. While I can't speak for Jaden, I knew I had a passion for chemistry and helping other students, but I did not know the first thing about making a video of any sort. The sole video I created was an 8th grade movie trailer for a book that came out terribly. So I knew we had a lot of work ahead of us.
As well as Alex, I had a passion for chemistry my sophomore year and junior year. We were both passionate and loved being in our chemistry classes. To continue with our passion, we wanted to create our videos. To begin our project, in late summer of 2019, we began creating our website and YouTube channel for our platform. It was very difficult at first to set these up because neither of us had any experience in website building or video creation. In the beginning, we didn't realize all the small parts of our platform we needed to begin. We needed to create a logo, a lesson plan, and research topics. And it took a lot more time than we expected. Most of our work during the summer consisted of research and basic setups for our website and YouTube channel. Here's an example of one of our videos on chemical reactions. Hello everyone, welcome to J&A Chemistry. My name is Jaden and I will be teaching the types of chemical reactions. We will be talking about 4 of the 6 most common chemical reactions we see in chemistry. In this video, I will talk about combination, decomposition, single replacement, and double replacement reactions. Next video, I will talk about combustion and redox reactions. First up, we have a combination reaction, also called a synthesis reaction. This reaction occurs when 2 or more reactants combine to make one product. One example is the formation of aluminum oxide. For the reactants, we have 4 moles of aluminum and 3 moles of oxygen gas. Combined, this reaction will yield 2 moles of aluminum oxide. As you can see, the 2 reactants came together to form one product. Next, we have a decomposition reaction. This reaction is when a single compound decomposes to form 2 or more products. For example, 1 mole of sodium chloride decomposes into 1 mole of sodium and 1 mole of chlorine. As you can see, one reactant decomposes into 2 products. And another type of chemical reaction is a single replacement reaction. A single replacement reaction is when one element is substituted in another compound. For example, in a reaction there is 1 mole of zinc and 1 mole of copper sulfate. This reaction would yield 1 mole of copper and 1 mole of zinc sulfate. In this reaction, you can see that a single element, zinc, replaces copper in the compound copper sulfate. Lastly, we have double replacement reactions. In a double replacement reaction, 2 ionic compounds exchange ions to form new compounds. For example, in a reaction we have 2 moles of potassium chloride and 1 mole of lead nitrate. This reaction will yield 2 moles of potassium nitrate and 1 mole of lead chloride. These 4 reactions are some of the most common chemical reactions. In this video, I have not talked about the other 2 most common chemical reactions, which are combustion and redox reactions. So stay tuned for those videos soon. Thank you again for watching our video. Check out our website in the description for more information.
After our initial setup of the website and the YouTube channel and doing some research, we were ready to begin recording our first videos. The beginning of the process of recording was probably the most difficult of our entire project. We did not have a single clue on the style we wanted to record, how much information we needed to put, how long each video should be, or even the correct way to teach a concept to someone. Throughout a collection of videos, you can definitely see our evolution. Initially, we tried to do a simple technique of doing a live drawing with a voiceover. We found this to be incredibly difficult as it was really hard to sync up the voice with the live sketches. Then we decided to do some more research, and we consulted our advisor, Mr. DeMarte, and he came up with the great idea that we should do PowerPoint slides with the information, and then we add a voiceover to them. We used the PowerPoint slides for the remainder of our videos and found it much easier to record and show the information to our viewers. We also had other ideas of doing live experiments or whiteboard lectures, but due to the cancellation of school, we could not make this happen.
With that being said, we're very thankful for this opportunity. We want to thank our mentor, Mr. DeMarte, Ms. Carsley, and the Amy family for funding this and starting this program.